Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Ms. Asma Umar. This is our third lecture of maths. Are you ready for that? So let's start. In this week, we are going to study chapter number 3, that is common fraction. To understand the concept of common fraction, we have to cover these two exercises, that is exercise 3.1 page number 39 and exercise 3.2 page number 44. Students, first we need to understand what is fraction. So fraction is a part of a whole number. It represents one or more equal parts of a whole number. Look at the fraction 3 upon 4. The number above the line is the numerator. It indicates the number of equal parts considered. The line is called fraction bar or division bar. The number below the fraction bar is called the denominator. It indicates the total number of equal parts. Now the types of fraction. There are three types of fraction: improper fraction, proper fraction, and mixed fraction. So let us understand improper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator is called the improper fraction. So let's see some examples. 5 upon 4. In 5 upon 4, 5 is numerator which is greater than 4 which is denominator. 9 upon 6, then 8 upon 3. You can write some more examples in your copy. Now, the proper fraction. A proper fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator. You can see the examples. 4 upon 6. In 4 upon 6, 4 is numerator which is less than 6. You can see 3 upon 7. The next is 5 upon 9. I hope you all understand it. So come on the third one, that is mixed fraction. A fraction that shows the sum of whole number and a proper fraction. You can see the example here. You can see a whole number 2 and beside it there is, you can see, a proper fraction. So how we will read it? 2 whole 1 upon 4. You can see other example. 5 whole 3 upon 6. And in the last 8 whole 2 upon 4. इसको आप उर्दू में समझें. इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में हमेशा न्यूमरेटर जो है वो डिनोमिनेटर से बड़ा होगा. यही इसकी पहचान है. और प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन जो है वो उसका ऑपोजिट होगा. इसमें न्यूमरेटर जो है वो डिनोमिनेटर से हमेशा छोटा होगा. यस. एंड मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में क्या है? मिक्स फ्रैक्शन दो नंबर्स का मजमुआ है. इसमें आपको होल नंबर भी मिलेगा और एक प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन भी मिलेगा. इसमें 2 जो है वो एज अ होल नंबर है और 1 अपॉन 4 जो है वो प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है. तो जब ये दो नंबर्स एक साथ लिखे जाते हैं तो दिस इज कॉल्ड मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. I hope you all understand this very thoroughly. Now students, after understanding the fractions and its type, you are able to do exercise. So let's start exercise 3.1, that is on page number 39. Question number 1, 1 till 10. Now I am reading the question for you. Question number 1, write down the fraction showing. Sum has been done for you. Now how you will read the fraction? 1 half. Yes, 1 half is written as 1 upon 2. And number 8, 5 out of 8. How you will write it down? 5 upon 8. Now here are some home assignment you have to do till question number 10. 2 I have done for you. It's a very simple and very easy exercise. Now it's the time for question number 2 of the same exercise, that is exercise 3.1, page number 39. How many parts you have to attempt? 1 till 4. So let's read question number 2. Reduce to the simplest form. What is simplest form? Simplest form of any fraction means that the numerator and the denominator will not be divided further. इसको आप इस तरह से समझें कि न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में वो नंबर आ जाएंगे जो मज़ीद किसी भी टेबल से डिवाइड नहीं होंगे, वो उसकी सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म है। चलें क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 सॉल्व करते हैं। Now, what is question number 1? That is 15 upon 25. Now, step number 1, we divide both numbers by same factor. So, we divide them by 5. इसको हम कैसे समझेंगे कि एक ऐसे नंबर से फैक्टर्स याद है ना आपको, प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किए हैं। यस, एक ऐसा नंबर जो उस नंबर को कम्प्लीटली डिवाइड कर दे। तो हम एक ऐसा नंबर ढूंढेंगे जो दोनों नंबर न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को एक ही नंबर से हमें डिवाइड करना है। तो 5 इज़ द बेस्ट नंबर हेयर। नाउ लेट्स सी, 15 upon 25 is divided by 5. 15 is also divided by 5 and 25 is also divided by 5. So you can see that when we divide 15 by 5, your answer is 3. And when we divide 25 by 5, your answer is 5. So you can see 3 upon 5. So 3 upon 5 is the simplest form of 15 upon 25. It means कि 3 upon 5 जो है वो अब मज़ीद किसी भी टेबल से डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज ये प्राइम नंबर्स भी हैं और ये आगे किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड नहीं हो सकते। I hope you all understand. Now there are also some home assignments of question number 2, that is 2, 3 and 4, because one I have done for you. Now students, it's a time for exercise 3.1, that is the same exercise on same page, page number 39, question number 5. How many parts you have to attempt? 1 till 5. So let's start. It's a very simple question, that is question number 5, change into improper fraction. अभी हमने इस वीडियो में पीछे पढ़ा है व्हाट इज इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन। इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन एक ऐसा फ्रैक्शन जिसका जो न्यूमरेटर है वो डिनोमिनेटर से बड़ा होता है। ओके, सो हाउ वी विल कन्वर्ट अ मिक्स फ्रैक्शन इनटू एन improper fraction? So let's start. Here you can see Question number 1. 2 whole 1 upon 6. So what we need to do is step number 1, multiply. Multiply the whole number. What is the whole number? 2. Yes, 2 is the whole number. Multiply the whole number by denominator. What is the denominator? 6. Yes. So you can find, after multiplying, you can find 2 6 are 12. Now step number 2. Add the numerator. Now 2 6 are 12 and 1 plus 13. So step number 3, write the answer over the same denominator. So you can write 13 upon 6. You can understand? I hope you will understand. If you do not understand, please repeat this video twice. You can understand it very easily. इसको हम उर्दू में भी देख लेते हैं कि जब किसी भी मिक्स नंबर को इम्प्रॉपर में चेंज करना हो तो हमारे पास 3 बहुत ही सिंपल, बहुत ही आसान से स्टेप्स हैं. ये क्लास 5 में भी आप करके आए हैं. सो इट इज़ वेरी इजी फॉर यू. डिनोमिनेटर को आपने होल नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. जो भी आंसर आए उसमें आपने न्यूमिनेटर को प्लस करना है. तो यहाँ आपने 6 को 2 से जब मल्टीप्लाई किया तो यू विल गेट 12 और फिर उसी 12 में 1 को प्लस करना है तो यू विल गेट 13. तो थर्ड स्टेप में आपने 13 को उसी सेम डिनोमिनेटर के साथ लिख देना है. So this is your improper fraction. Now here are some questions which you have to do in your copy as a home assignment. How many questions? 2, 3, 4 and 5 because one I have done for you. Now students, it's question number 6 of the same exercise. How many parts you have to do? That is 1 till 4. It's a very interesting exercise. Now I am reading the question for you. That is question number 6. Express as mixed fraction. You can see here an improper fraction, that is 3 upon 2. Now look at the given fraction. To convert into a mixed number, we have to follow some steps. Step number 1, divide the numerator. What is the numerator? Yes, 3 is the numerator. Divide the numerator by denominator, and in this question 2 is the denominator. So after dividing it, we get the quotient as 1 and the remainder also as 1. So we write mixed number is equal to quotient plus remainder upon divisor. So you can write it very easily. That is quotient is 1 and remainder is also 1 and the divisor is 2. So you can read it like this: 1 whole 1 upon 2, and this is your answer. This is the mixed number. I hope you all understand. Now the home assignment you have to do in the copy question number 2, 3 and 4. Now students, it's the time for exercise 3.2, page number 44, and here some random questions are given that you have to solve in your register. In this exercise, we are going to add or subtract the like and unlike fractions. So you need to understand, first you need to understand like fractions and the unlike fractions. What are like fractions? Fractions which have common denominators are called like fractions. For example, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4 are the like fractions. And in another example, that is 5 upon 9 and 4 upon 9 is also a like fractions. इसको आप उर्दू में समझें कि जिन फ्रैक्शंस के डिनोमिनेटर सेम होते हैं दे आर कॉल्ड द लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. इसी तरह से अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस इज ऑपोजिट, दैट इज फ्रैक्शन विच हैव डिफरेंट डिनोमिनेटर्स आर कॉल्ड unlike fractions. For example, 3 upon 9 and 2 upon 5 are the two unlike fractions because they have the different denominators. In the another example, that is 6 upon 4 and 1 upon 3 is also unlike fractions. So now we are starting exercise 3.2. Now students, the question number 1 is 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. Since these are the like fractions, we simply add the numerators that are 2 and 1 and write the common denominator as it is, which give us the answer 3 upon 5. Now in the same way, we can subtract the like fractions. For example, question number 12, 5 upon 7 minus 3 upon 7. Here, we also simply subtract the numerators that are 5 and 7, 5 and 3, and write the common denominator as it is, which give us the answer 2 upon 7. Now students, exercise 3.2, page number 44, addition of unlike fraction. Now look at the given unlike fraction, that is 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4. We need some steps to complete this sum. Step number 1. Find the LCM of denominator of the given fraction. Now you can see here, we take the LCM, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and then 1 and 2 is remaining. So 2 ones are 2. So when you multiply 2 multiplied by 2, your LCM will be 4. I hope you understand the first step. अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन को जब हम ऐड करते हैं तो हम इसको डायरेक्टली ऐड नहीं कर सकते. इसको ऐड करने के लिए आपको इनके डिनोमिनेटर्स का एलसीएम लेना है. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज कंप्लीटेड. वी गेट द आंसर 4. नाउ द सेकंड स्टेप. Convert the unlike fraction into like fraction by dividing the LCM with denominator. इसको उर्दू में समझते हैं. अब क्योंकि हमने कहा कि अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस डायरेक्टली प्लस एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं हो सकते, इसके लिए आपको अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन को लाइक फ्रैक्शन में चेंज करना है. और लाइक फ्रैक्शन में चेंज करने के लिए जो हमें छोटा सा काम करना है वो ये है कि आपने अपने एलसीएम को डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करना है. नाउ सी हियर इन द रफ वर्क, दैट इज 4 divided by 2, your answer is 2. And the second fraction denominator is 4 and LCM is also 4. So it is very easy. 4 ones are 4. You understand this? Second step, हमें unlike fraction को like में change करने के लिए LCM को denominator से divide करना है. यहाँ हमने दोनों डिवाइड किए. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू द नेक्स्ट. नाउ नेक्स्ट में हमें क्या करना है, जो आंसर डिवाइड करके आया है हमें दोनों न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. यू सी हियर 1 upon 2, we will multiply both number by 2. Then sign of addition. Then the fraction 1 upon 4 is multiplied by 1. Why 1? हमने क्यों उसको 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया? बिकॉज जब हमने 4 को 4 से डिवाइड किया तो यू विल गेट द आंसर 1. Now let's see multiply the sum. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Sign of addition. 1 1s are 1 and 4 1s are 1. Now you see some changes here. This fraction is now a like fraction and you can easily add it. What we will do? We will simply add the numerators, that is 2 plus 1, and the denominator will be same. So your answer is 3 upon 4. If answer is improper fraction, we need to change into mixed number. But if answer is in proper fraction, we can't change it. So the answer is 3 upon 4. I hope you all understand it. Now students, subtraction of unlike fraction. Look at question number 13. Here 5 upon 18 minus 5 upon 27. In the denominator we have 18 and 27. So we will do find the LCM of denominator of the given fraction, just like in addition. So after taking the LCM, we get an answer of 54. Okay, first step is completed. इसको उर्दू में समझते हैं. क्लास, जब आप किसी भी सम को अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे उसके बिल्कुल वही स्टेप्स हैं जो एडिशन के हैं, बट इसमें इन द लास्ट जिस तरह से हमने एडिशन में लास्ट में प्लस किया था इस तरह से लास्ट में हम माइनस करेंगे. सो वी हैव कंप्लीटेड स्टेप नंबर 1. नाउ स्टेप नंबर 2, convert the unlike fraction into like fraction by dividing the LCM with denominator. और यहाँ जो हमारे पास डिनोमिनेटर आया है वो है 18 and 27 और इसको हमने डिवाइड करना है अपने LCM से जो कि है 54. So you can see in the rough work that 54 is divided by 18. Your answer is 3. And in the second fraction, we can divide 54 by 27. So you can find the answer is 2. So here step number 2 is completed. What we have to do in the next? Yes, we will multiply the answer with the denominator and numerator both. इसको उर्दू में समझें. पहले फ्रैक्शन का आंसर हमारे पास आया 54 डिवाइडेड बाई 18 इज़ 3. इस 3 को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे दोनों न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर से. यू कैन सी हियर 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3, 18 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. Sign of subtraction. Now the next fraction 5 upon 27 is multiplied by 2. Yes, because why 2? Because 27, when we divide 54 by 27 we get the answer 2. Now when we multiply these fractions we see the number 5 3s are 15, 18 3s are 54. Sign of subtraction. 5 2s are 10 and 27 2s are 54. Yes, now it is also like fraction and it is very easy to subtract the like fraction. We just subtract the numerator and the denominator will be the same. So 15 minus 10 is equal to 5 upon 54. And this is your answer. I hope you all understand. Thanks for watching, students.